Hi. Today I am going to show you a crazy thing about what Facebook is doing in the backend. Do you think your online activities are really safe? No. Facebook is tracking every activity you do when you are offline on Facebook. Let's see how Facebook is tracking. First, open Facebook and find this little bars and click on it. Find Settings and Privacy and click on it. Select Settings. Find Off Facebook Activity. Here you can see Facebook has collected many of your activities from your apps and websites that you visit. Also, they are tracking your online banking and online business when you click on the app through your mobile. By clicking on Learn More, you can see what is off Facebook activity and how did Facebook receive your activities and all. First, you have to disconnect off Facebook activity history from your account. To do that, click on Clear History and click Clear History again. Now your activity history has been cleared. Now you have to turn off future off Facebook activity. Follow the steps for that. Select More Options and select Manage Future Activity. Click on Manage Future Activity again. Here you have to turn off future off Facebook activity. For more details you can go through this. Select Turn Off. Now you have successfully turned off Facebook activity. That's all for today. I hope you guys find this helpful. If so, please let us know in comments section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more useful videos.